Hello guys. Then what I am right now doing, it's too much interesting. So I will elaborate what I will doing. I decided I will take a 35-day challenge. In that challenge, I will record a video in the English form. But firstly, I will give you my back. What is my background is I don't know too much well English. I don't speak too much well English, and my English sense of English is little bit low level. Then definitely I want to push myself that I will become a good English speaker with the help, and along with I will become a best reader of English content. So I will trying to start with zero. Now I am the day first, and in this videos and upcoming all this video along the time I will record a day by day video, and in that video I will tell you something. Okay, what is this, what is what, anything about that. For that, now right now my understanding English is low, and if you all are join with me, and along with time little bit you will learn some English, and along the time you will gain more confidence, and you increase your English essence power. And you think, "Okay, yes, why I can't use your channel? We have the another channel in that I can watch videos and I can learn from that videos." Then definitely I will share you can do all things, but I don't stop you. You don't go with them. But my one question is that if you are with those person who are already known how to speak English, they can already make the content of English, then definitely if your English understanding is too much good, then definitely you will cope with all the things. But right now the problem, yeah, my weakness, yeah, your weakness is that you don't have the proper right essence of the English. Okay, what is the another person want to tell you, and how you will grasp it. Sometimes that person you used too much powerful and heavy word, with the help of you cannot go up with that. Then I am telling you, I am in my beginning phase, and that time I will make the video, and I will telling what is my real experience, and how I can execute myself, how I will learn, and how I will enhancing my capability. So I hope the reason is the too much clear that if you wanted to learn the basic English to scratch to high level, then definitely you can join these videos and this series of 75 days, yeah, 30 days or whatever will be. I will make video, I will express myself, and what will how it is benefit for you, that is the very big questions. And that's definitely come in your mind. Okay, you are making video, you speak video, then what are the our benefit of watching your video, and your English is not too much well, then how I can we improve? The question is genuine, and if you wanted to know, the reason is simple. I am right now in your phase. Think that, okay, I don't have too much English, you don't have too much English, and I trying to pushing myself, and you are also trying to pushing yourself to understand the English essence. And why I will trying to force you watch my video, because I am in the beginning, you are in the beginning, and when you see any other YouTube content, then is the upper level of your essence of English, and that time you must sometimes cope up with that and sometimes not. But I am telling you, you are there and I am there. I am going this little bit after 30-40 days, and you will also, if you are along with me, then you definitely come with my position. And that time our both essence of English, our both sense of English हैज विद इम्प्रूव. हो सकता है आने वाली वीडियो में मेरे इंग्लिश के कोई वोकेबुलरी, कोई मतलब, कोई सेंटेंस उट पटांग बन सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज़ नेचुरल, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू माई बेस्ट टू गिव and improving myself. So what is the rule of this particular things, that I will make per day video, upload video on the next day, and you will anytime you will free, you will take lunch, breakfast, whatever time that is not too active work, that time you definitely listen my video. You can use caption code, with the help of you can see the the title in the caption in this video, you will learn, oh, this will happen, and yeah, it is used to this type use word, this type sense. अच्छा ये बंदा ये कहना चाह रहा है, जिससे होगा ये कि आप भी मेरे साथ साथ अपने इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. Maybe it is a 1% contribute if my videos added in your life per day, then definitely think about that. If I will continue this of the whole year, then definitely you will be 3.6 time multiplier plus, I am not wrong, your present version. So I am very glad if you are with me, because if you are not with me, then definitely I will make the video, because those person who are trying to get this type of content, who will wanted to improve their English, that time this channel will be helpful. I will not make the irrelevant videos about something. Must sometimes it's maybe happen because I don't have that much content. I am not a YouTuber. I am only a simple college aspirant and a competition aspirant. In this video, why I will record this video, my main motive of the video is that in the any competition genre, you have to good essence of English, you have to understand, you have the best comprehension of the English, you can you have to skill to communicate in the English, because that all the things you already know in the with the bottom of the heart, English is the essential for their our growth. So if you are in the in college, school, yeah, whatever in the field, that time definitely if you trying to push yourself, and if you don't have the right understanding how to speak English, then definitely I will invite you in my 35-day challenge. And in this video I will make the video, and I will request to you, you will also consistent with myself, then definitely we will make a big revelation. So I hope I will be clarify what I will do in the videos. Briefly, I will introduction you what the video, which kind of video I will make. The first is the study, second motivation, third finance, and others. Whichever I book, I will read. I will make a short brief introduction about that. What are the real purpose? What are the book are telling you? Because you can see that there are the multiple books I will purchase in the recent years, and I will be continue to purchasing the more books, and I will give you the right advice. And if you have any type of doubt in your mind, then definitely you can drop a comment in the comment box. I will check out and I will give the right advice, because now we are become a good English speaker. Bye bye, Jane.